Here's how you reset the oil change reminder on a Subaru. It's all going to happen on this screen up here, and it's going to be using this info button here and these selector buttons down here. First, you're going to press the info button and keep pressing it because that cycles through the screen here until you get to a screen that asks you to hold the info button for a few seconds. So you hold it for a few seconds, and then that takes you into the menu. And from the menu, you can navigate that with the controllers down here, up and down, and the set button. So we're going to use those. I'm going to go down, maintenance, and then I'm going to press that middle button. Takes me into the next menu, and oil filter and engine oil are two settings you can reset. I do them both at the same time. So we'll start with the engine oil. I'm going to press that middle set button, and now we can change the reminder, whether it's a date or a specific amount of kilometers or miles. I like to go with the kilometers. I'm up in Canada. If you're down in the beautiful US, then you go to miles. I do 5,000 kilometers. So with those same buttons down here, I'm going to go up or down and change that amount. I don't know why it's showing 1,518. That's an odd number. This is the first oil change on this car. So once I'm down there, I'm pressing the middle info set button, and that allows me now to go up in increments right up to 5,000. I'm going to press that same middle set button to lock it in. Now it's locked in. I'll use the down to the update, middle set button to update it, and complete. Now I'm going to go down to the oil filter and do the exact same thing. I'm going to go to the kilometers. Oops, went too far. Middle set button to access the up and down. Now we'll go up to 5,000 as well. Middle set button to lock it in. Go down and down to the update. Middle set button to update it. And now it's complete. You can do the same for tire change. I like to do a tire rotation at the same time that I do my oil change. I have a full-size spare, so I like to swap that out and rotate it into the mix so it's got even wear on it. 5,000 kilometers as well. Middle set button to lock it in. The down button to update. Middle set button to select update, and now it's complete. It'll take me back to the main menu. Maintenance schedule, don't use that too much.